Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below.
Hi, a happy hoarder here. Today is 11. So 11 Lords of Leaping, right? No, is that where it's at? No, 11 Piper. No, it's 10 Lord. What is this? 11. Is it 11 Pipers? Do I have my guys mixed up again? I don't know. Anyway, it's day 11. I'll show you some cool stuff I found. Cheap, but thank goodness I'll find some fun uses for it. Okay, I forgot about this piece. So these are things that I literally bought in August because the bottom of the box that I'd sort of been putting things in. Yeah, this was back in August. So I love this. It's silver, but it kind of kicking off some gold. Do y'all see that? Maybe it's gold on the inside and silver on the outside. I don't know. But it looks kind of goldy, but then no silver. So does that make sense? It's gold on the inside? Oh, man. And the silver on the outside. Oh, got some light shining in there. I think it's gorgeous. And I would probably put like, not make it a bit light. Well, that's what's so cool about it. You could put like a red candle glass in there, like a glass candle, and let it kick off some red as well. Some really pretty candle holders. I cannot wait to use. I love them. This right here is something really nice. Wow, I was so surprised to find this. You know what I mean? I'm gonna make a tiered tray. So by the way, I just want to tell y'all, it's about, let me see I don't know what time it is today. What time is it? I don't know. I think it's got a watch. No, come on, clock. Nope. I've got a white screen on my, I think it just got darker actually. I have a white screen on my on my computer in order to like light up my face, but it's not working. I'm just creating more contrast. I don't even know what time it is, but I know what I'm going to be doing tonight till all hours. Yeah, anyway, organizing all my Christmas stuff. These are amazing, y'all. These are so beautiful. Look at this. I love these pieces. There's two of them, and they're so beautiful, and they're just weird, and I cannot wait to use them. But I need to find something to go in between them because I really want to do that tiered tray effect. And I don't have a price on these. What is the price? But I guarantee they were like $3.75 for both of them. I mean, they're just such a good deal. And so pretty. Cannot wait to make something out of these. That's kind of my style right there. That kind of stuff. Really? Lots of newspaper. Yep. So I'm really excited about that piece. I love the bright colors, you know, the pretty, that kind of art glass, that kind of stuff. Hang on, let's see what we got. I don't remember. I seriously do not remember because it's been in, I think they're glasses. Oh, you know, these are cute. I don't know who made them. They're probably just Dollar Tree, maybe. I don't know. Hey, they were 55 cents though. But, and I hope they clean up. They're kind of dingy, but I think that's just dinge, you know, just dusty. But they just have a little bit of holly around the edge. I'm pretty sure that's not going to go with my dishes that I have. It's a little bit more informal, but I know they're going to set in a very adorable table setting. So that's what's in here. I think there's 4. Check it out. Yeah, so there's 4. I got 4 of those glasses. And they're pretty cute. Pretty cute. I think I could do something with that Dollar Tree. If I do like a dollar, I think that's Dollar Tree, don't you? If you know, let me know because that's like from years ago probably. And then I have the table runner and some napkins and things. I could probably set a pretty cute table with that. Now this is my really interesting bag because I got this bag at the same time I got the bag that I opened when I did the Vlogtober, and it had that really cool gold stuff in it. But it looks like there's some older ornaments in here, which is like, gotta have it. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. I probably won't be keeping these older ornaments, certain ornaments, because I just, yeah, like this one. I think I have another one that kind of goes with him. He's really precious. And he was made in Japan, and he's got his little tag, and he's just a little old guy, and he's sweet as he can be. He just doesn't necessarily go with like what I use, so I have enough stuffing. Thank you very much. And then the styrofoam house. Oh, I'm kind of digging that. It comes like it looks like it's made out of popcorn. I know. Oh, it's got the really old, it's just missing some stuff. It's got the really old glass ornaments. I mean, you know, like from the garlands on it. So I think that is old. I'm thinking old on that one. And this, I am kind of digging. The bell. And look, see, we got the little woven ding, 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 which is not dinging. I like this one, and I may hang on to this to go with a Santa that I'm trying to keep, you know, like very earthy and neutral. May look good with that. So, gotta kind of stick this over. Try to remember, why did I stick it over there? I don't know. This is a little thing that says Hope, and somebody's put like a sticker on the back from 1999. Bright Star Designs. That's really sweet though. Look at that. It says Hope, and I don't know. Give me my paper. How we drop things. Yeah, so it just has the two turtle doves, I guess. The turtle doves. No, it has two doves and then the word Hope, and that's really a sweet. And it's kind of made out of probably a resin. That's sweet. So 1999, yeah. This is just a little stocking. Oh, and it's got somebody's name on it. What year? I think this is 2000. Okay. So yeah, just a little stocking. It's a snowman. We'll put him a snowman. And another one of these. These things are kind of crazy. You know, I've got all that red and white though. I probably won't. A big old bell. Oh yeah, that's a big bell. That's one of those one that goes right in your doors. So, what do I do with these? I love that though. I'm kind of digging the thing. I'm digging. Why am I digging everything tonight? What is wrong with me? I like this. This little metal piece. That would be so pretty on something else. It's a nice bow. It's a nice bow. There's a piece in here. I hope it turns out. Oh, poor Apple. You got a little squished. I don't know what's wrong with you, Apple. You're kind of squished. This is so sweet, and I'm going to make a mess. Okay, so if you're looking for a DIY project to do this year, here it is, folks. This is the one you got to do. Let me kind of tidy her up. Bless her little heart. So I think she was an angel, either that or some kind of exotic dancer. I'm not quite sure. But she's on a little cardboard cone, and it's made in Japan, and her feathers are just crazy. But she's got... Let me zhoosh her a minute. Come on, y'all got time. Let me make her pretty. She can't help it. Oh my goodness, look at her. She's the cutest. And those feathers. The feathers! You thought the glitter was bad? Oh my goodness, the feathers. I'm really hoping this piece survived. Because, hey, it may be plastic though. It doesn't, it's kind of heavy though. Merry Christmas from the, what? Oh, the Hoarder. I think this was like being somewhere, a place. And I think somebody added that. But that's a cool, the Wiseman. So I can put that with my nativity stuff. I think it's pretty cool. Yay. And then I have this little girl. She's so adorable. Like I said, these are all, I gotta get the big thing out first because it's getting in the way. And it's just a pretty glass sign that says Peace on Earth. You can put in the window. And that's really sweet. Who is this by? I don't know. It just says new to design in China. But yeah, it's just something you hang. $1.49. Yeah. It's a cute little thing. Nativity though. I could put with the nativity stuff. I guess I could put that in the back of, like in a tree. Maybe there'd be room. So I have some old ones. I was trying to be careful and not rip them up. Trying to get them out. Angel. It's a cute little angel made out of, no, it didn't smell. You know this stuff, it's like kind of like, what's that? Polymer clay. You get that smell. This is still in good shape. So you're going with the angels. Or not. You just fell. It's unbreakable. Okay. Still can't get to those little old ones because they're all over the place. No. Oh my gosh, it's a poodle. Now, aren't you glad you stuck around this long? to see this. Thank you for sticking with me, for those of you who did. Please put poodle in the, so I know you made it. That is like, the DIY projects. If you're looking for a good DIY project this year, you got to do a poodle. You got to do it. And I probably have everything. Everything for this. I probably got pom-poms, eyes, and felt. And bless its little heart, the felt is getting a little bit eaten up by some bugs. Isn't that cute, though? All right, so that's adorbs. That is adorable. It was turned. I couldn't see it. His ears were weird. I couldn't see what it was. Now, I know. Oh, well, found that. Pretty common Santa, skinny Santa. But him with Santa's nothing to see here kind of moment. But look, we actually found a Raggedy Ann. Look at her. I actually had these. I had both Raggedy Ann and Andy at one time. And this one's in much better shape than the one I had. But she's from Japan. She's an old lady. She's so sweet. You are a cutie. So, I don't know where to put you. I'll put you over here. The vintage stuff. This one's not vintage, but it is awfully darn cute for a Winnie dog. Oh, well, these are one of those that really glow, too. Hang on. Let's get that lighting effect. You going to glow? You going to show us? Look at that. Oh, these going to look good on a tree. Who do we know who has a weenie dog that needs a very fancy one right here? And it's just acrylic. This is a fun acrylic. Let's use the word here. Oh my goodness, I'm delicately trying to get to these. Oh, it's a little block. Oh, wow, it's kind of cute though. Let me stick this with the Santa. So it's a block, but it's kind of like a bead, and it's got a little candle painted on it, or that's on it, and then it's just got like a star, but it's like a block. I need to put that with my Santa stuff that I don't know where to put. I'll figure it out later. And I like it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I got the cutest little Santa coming up here. It's a keeper. Sorry. I think it's an elf, actually. Hang on. Let go. You've got to give it up. You've got to get this up. So this is, I may just pull that off. I have a bunch of the stuff in my bathroom. I just did not mean to start collecting shells. They just kept finding their way to my house again with that. And let me stick that in a jar with my others. If I can get that off, get the glue off. But it does have glitter. So there's that. And it's kind of cool. But it is a starfish. It'd look better in the jar with the other big. I'm talking jar, like a big jar. Y'all, Andy's in here. He's in here. I didn't even know it. I didn't see your big old red head. How did I miss? Oh my gosh. They're just the sweet. Actually, the ones I had before, and this actually sold them on eBay, they were not in good shape. These are perfect. Look at these. They're like new. They're not faded or anything. Oh, I may have to hang on to those. They're too cute. They look good with the Santa. What can I say? I love this. Hang on, get your hat out, dude. Come on. So, it's just sewn on, so it's not like glued. I think he needs a beard, though. If I want to make him a Santa, he needs a beard. But look at that tiny little chenille Santa that is just the cutest. Oh, no, his beard is felt. I found his beard. He's got a beard. Do you see the felt in there? That's his beard. That is so sweet and funny, and I just love it. That is the cutest. Hanging on to that one. Oh, wait. Was that another one? No, it's just another ring, but it's got a pin of a little Christmas pin on it. So that cute little candy cane Christmas pin. Just a little one. It's plastic. And another glass thing that goes, in the one. And it's another nativity theme. So over here. All right, so here's another vintage one whose hair is a hot mess. Oh, that bell is sweet. Okay, so I'll get the bell like she's not on. It's just a tiny bell. And it just says, Merry Christmas. And I think I like that with the Santa. Stick it over here. I know it's very old. I have some old looking Santas. And they need little bells, I don't know. She just want to jump out of my head. What is she? She's a hot mess, though. Her hair needs redoing. She can't help it. And her eyes. She's got a cute little painted face. She looks almost like, I don't know. Those are her little eyes. But her little blue hair. She needs some love. But she got a friend in here who needs the same amount of love. Because she's awesome. Oh, and your head. So I guess these are like angels. angel. Oh, no, she has wings. Hang on. They have wings. They're angels. Sorry. I think they got smushed, though. I don't think they're supposed to be flat. I bet they're supposed to be cones. So those are so sweet. Oh, look at all their little stuff going on. Very, very fancy. Beads! I love these with the candle. Here you go. We're going to make it work. Pony beads. Yeah. This one of those things your kids make in school and you're like, oh, that's adorable. See ya. Oh, and this little flocked, a feather. Don't lose those feathers, man. Oh, man, she needs all of her feathers. I have to put them all, like, stuff them up the hole or something. A cow. It's just a little, I guess it was a cow. No, it's a reindeer. I thought it was a cow because it had white on the back. No, just where the flocking came off. He's cute. Just a little tiny flock deer with missing an eye. And no, he's not. That eye is in there. It's just weird looking. Keep your eyes. Okay, so he's kind of I don't know. I haven't decided what to do with him. We'll kind of give you some thoughts. How about that? And then here's like a little bit more modern ornament that has somebody's name on the back. This is by Debbie Munn or something. Money? Mum. M-U-M-M. So it's cute. I'm going to go over here with the angels. Angel ornaments. Kind of folk-arty. And then, these. Those, you just see them, One day they'll quit making these and we're like, wait, whatever happened to these? So that was it. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad to get through these though, because I really need to figure out what's going to happen with this stuff. I really don't have, I don't think I'm doing any like Rolling Hill stuff. I keep them pretty much all of it, right? I love this. That's just too funny. I'm sorry. That's adorbs. Oh my goodness, that on a toilet paper holder kind of thing? Right. I'm saying. Yes. Anyway, thanks for watching. And hey, tell me what you like the best in the comments below. And please be sure to check out that playlist and all the other people who participated, because they have some really very nice videos and really did some great stuff. So I want you to check it out. It's just a few of us. You can get through it. Do it for us, please. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment about all the stuff that I have managed. You're like, what are you going to do with all that stuff? Well, I always manage to figure it out somehow, or it goes back to God. We'll just see. Anyway,